Hey, today's gonna be a really fun day. It's actually like 1 o'clock. Definitely wish I started filming earlier, but it was freaking raining. It was gross out, but now it's actually pretty nice. It's not too cold, it's not too warm. But as you guys know, I haven't had a stack for months. You know, everyone's always asking me like, where's your stack? Where's your stack? And I'm like, oh, it got corona. It's in the hospital. Like, just like stupid stuff like that. Today, we're gonna put a new stack on. The stack's in my bed. It was super expensive, probably like $3,000. I waited 6 weeks for it. There it is. But yeah, I wanted the biggest stack that I could possibly get, and I did. What I love about this is you make your own inlet. Oh boy. My inlet is a 4-inch. See? So I'm gonna have to actually make it kind of like this because the trash, you know, it's a stack, right? I have no idea what I'm gonna use to do this. This looks promising. Let's see. Does not have to be perfect. Wow, that's gonna be way harder than I thought it was gonna be. I don't know how to explain my thought process, but if I do that a bunch of times, or at least I have a hole now, right? To make it right. I don't have a tripod, so you're like on my tire. Yeah. Oh, you can't see it. Oh, whatever. I'm getting somewhere. I used my hammer. This is so freaking fun. Works for me. Should I measure it? No, we're just gonna do it. You're lying. I did it perfect. I was worried about it not being very secure. It looks fine to me. Oh yeah, that thing looks sick. Perfect. Let's see how she sounds. I'm at Savannah's house because I want her to come see my new exhaust. She knew I ordered one, but she doesn't. Oh, I left my truck on that whole time. Someone could have stole it. But yeah, she's gonna come with me. You can kind of see it from here. Your truck's gonna be so loud. I know. We're gonna go do some flybys to show you guys that this is the loudest stack exhaust head that you can get on the market. It cost me $3,000. I waited like 6 weeks for it. So, oh heck yeah! Listen to that. That is so loud. Holy sh! I know I'm not supposed to be blowing white smoke right now. Just leave me alone. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I have a real stack that we're gonna put on today. I literally ordered it from Amazon, in a different state of mind. So we're just gonna use it. I was gonna get something different, but here we are. I have like no help right now. Noah could probably help me if he wanted to, but so this is my stack. 7-inch, 4-inch inlet. Hi.
What the f***?
Oh my god. I'm gonna f this off somehow. Open it. Oh my goodness.
Damn! Damn!
I'm gonna get demonetized.
Yes! This one!
He's so mad.
Oh, are you shitting me? I'm not cutting myself again. There we go. It's on. Bingo. Give me a inch. Hold it. Oh, there's a kid. I'm so sorry. Ow, my hand!
No. Yeah, Noah's a character. I grew up with him. And he's in the Air Force, I think. I forget. And so he's in town for a month or 2 or 3. I don't know if I have electrical tape. Savannah might. Tools should be in the toolbox. That would make sense. Savannah's mowing her lawn. Or weed whacking it. Sheesh.
All that work right now. You're gonna have to keep this straight, or how is
Hold on. Does that look good?
wherever you. Oh. I didn't know you could get in trouble. I thought you said like, viewer discretion is advised. Put one of those on your video. It'll help.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, probably some way, but. I love younger kids on my channel, so.
Why?
I don't choose them.
I almost said something really awful on the internet.
No.
Oh, I wouldn't recover. I would have lost my career for that one.
Yeah.
Woo!
Noah doesn't have a YouTube channel because he'd be canceled every week.
Yeah, now I'm getting my nice clothes
You
all
guys will
dirty.
also appreciate his tattoo here.
You know what? I tried to dress nice tonight. I'm hoping your beautiful friend comes over.
Oh.
But I don't know if she's coming over, and I dressed all nice and shit. I only brought nice clothes.
Yeah, check the fit, guys.
I wore my nice Wranglers and everything, and ain't shit's happening. I wonder how tight I can keep this snaps.
Let's not.
No, I won't snap. I'd be impressed if it snapped. Stupid piece of shit. These were actually Kendall's crackers, but I took them from
Your
her
beer's
mom.
in the fridge. If you go put your freaking stuff in my truck, put it in here now. Noah puts all his boxes and bottles in my truck bed, and there's. You park so close to me! Not really. Let's listen to it. It's probably not gonna be as loud as a trash can, not gonna lie. Alright guys, so it is Friday when I'm filming this and I want to get it up today because with him here, things get crazy. I have to supervise until someone has to supervise me. Have a safe weekend. Don't be like us. and I will see you guys in the next one. Let me know, do you like the trash can stack or this one, or do you like my old one, the shotgun one? All right, I'll see you guys later. Weep weep.